bavele badivorce ngampela ukhathazile noDonga guys. Niyazi ukuthi ke uDonga ufuna ukuthatha unkosazana wesibili, so ke akakwazi ukumthatha kulolu yahlobo lomshado ushadile ke benokhathazile. Lo wamcela ukuthi ke ucela ukuthi asayine ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi ke athathe ke omunye ke unkosikazi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Soil Action. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on my brother's keeper from the 16th to 20th of September 2024 on Monday. Nomsa is going through the most challenging times and everyone thinks she needs professional intervention on Tuesday. Khathazile makes it difficult for Donga to change the rules of their marriage. Ngobeko doesn't know what to do with a depressed Nomsa on Wednesday. Donga and Khathazile continue to wrestle. Khathazile refuses to budge on her demand. Nomsa has hit rock bottom as she struggles with the loss of her baby on Thursday. Ngubeko feels as if he's abandoned Nomsa. Mshengo reminds Donga he has chosen a hard path. Fakazile finds herself having to lie to Umakazi on Friday. Donga and Khathazile have a blown up. Nomsa tells the therapist she can't help her. She wants what she's lost and nothing else. Sbu formally meets Nkosazana. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.